Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide all symbols in MetaTrader 5. If you're someone who enjoys a clutter-free trading environment, or simply wants to focus on just a few key symbols, this is the perfect guide for you. MetaTrader 5 offers a straightforward way to manage your Market Watch screen, allowing you to streamline what you see based on your trading preferences. This is especially useful when your Market Watch list becomes too long and you only want to focus on the pairs, stocks, indices, or instruments that matter most to your current trading setup. Let's get started with the process. First, you want to make sure you have the Market Watch window visible. If it's not already up on your screen, you can easily access it by going to the View menu and clicking on Market Watch. Once it appears, you should see the list of available trading symbols on your screen, usually on the left side of the MetaTrader 5 platform. This window provides an essential overview of various financial instruments, displaying a list of symbols, along with their current bid and ask prices. For traders who are dealing with multiple instruments, this feature is invaluable. It shows at a glance what's happening in your chosen markets. However, when too many symbols are visible at once, it can make the workspace feel crowded and harder to manage. Now, to begin hiding all symbols that are cluttering up your screen, place your mouse cursor anywhere within the Market Watch area. That means you should hover over the list of symbols itself. Don't click on any specific symbol just yet. You only need to make sure your cursor is inside the Market Watch window, so MetaTrader 5 knows which area you want to manage. Once you're ready, right-click anywhere in this space. A context menu will appear, offering a list of actions you can take regarding the symbols displayed. This menu gives you quick controls for showing, hiding, organizing, and managing the instruments inside your Market Watch panel. From this list of options, locate and select Hide All. By doing so, you're instructing MetaTrader 5 to clear out all the symbols that aren't currently open. This won't affect any charts you've already opened. Those will remain untouched and active. So, if you already have a chart open for a currency pair, stock, or index, that chart will stay visible and continue working as normal. The Hide All feature is extremely handy in keeping your workspace neat and organized, ensuring you're only seeing the data that's directly relevant to you at any given moment. Remember, this action only hides symbols that are not actively in use on your charts, so there's no risk of accidentally losing sight of any critical data. This makes it a safe and useful option when you want a cleaner trading screen without closing your active charts. If you decide you need to view all available symbols again, you can simply reverse the process by right-clicking in the same Market Watch space and selecting Show All. All symbols will be displayed once more, giving you the complete visibility you had before. This is helpful when you want to search for a new instrument, compare markets, or add more symbols back to your watch list. This flexibility allows you to customize your workspace with just a few clicks. So, there you have it, a quick and effective method to hide all non-essential symbols and keep your MetaTrader 5 environment streamlined and focused. I hope you found this guide helpful for maintaining a clean and efficient trading platform.